All right, thank you very much, Temi. Mike, good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm doing well, Roger. How are you doing this morning?
Better than, I guess, some of the tech companies.
Yeah.
$33 billion? Was that the number I think I remember seeing?
$33 billion is the...
Like that.
Exactly. Initial tabulation of how much market value has been wiped out in one fell swoop. Now, it is still early. In reaction to the announcement late yesterday by the Trump administration that the U.S. Department of Justice is going to launch an antitrust investigation into the biggest names in tech: Facebook, Google, Amazon, Apple, you name it. They're running the gamut. And they're looking at the issue, are these companies too big and too powerful? Now this is one of these topics that sort of crosses both political spectrums. Trump has been railing about the size of Amazon, for example. The Democrats are saying as well, these companies are just too big, and this, has some real-world implications for, do they get somehow broken up at some point by the regulators?
But then you have to try and balance it out with shareholders and losses they
of
probably
course,
take if they're broken up.
And free enterprise, right?
Yeah.
You're supposed to want companies to grow and succeed, but at some point, do they have too much control? Especially when we're talking social media.
But we also have regulations. We have lots of industries that have regulations in them, and nobody really they complain. But it's better for better for everybody in the long run.
And yet, what has been one of the mantras of Donald Trump? To reduce regulation. Yeah. So they're cracking down on one hand, but
there's some irony.
Looking at some, yeah, exactly. That's a good way of putting it.
Ford with the F-150, an electric F-150.
All-electric truck, pickup truck. This might be a game changer because up until now, most of the electric vehicles are small. And what are American consumers buying? They're buying pickup trucks and SUVs. So here was a test that Ford was showing off, pulling 1 million+ pounds of weight with an electric truck. Now, again, this is a prototype. Electric vehicles have a much larger torque, power, and towing capacity is all about what trucks are for, right? So,
which is perfect.
Yeah. So there might be this might be something. It'll be interesting to see if they are giving a specific timeline about when this could be in full-scale production, and of course, what price point.
I mean, some of those trucks, if you can give them $600K for a distance.
Well, they're luxury vehicles in some cases already. So would you pay? Yeah, would you pay a little bit more to throw on a battery-operated vehicle?
All right, Michael. Thank you very much, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Coming up after the break, we have given Nicole a chainsaw. I don't know officially, but yeah, there they are. She's out in Mississauga at the Steel Timber Sports. We'll have more coming up.